So right here I have a 50 volt, 6800 microfarad capacitor that has a small internal resistance as a leakage between its two plates. It's electrolytic. This one is actually from an old piece of electrical equipment that was faulty and had more than one fault besides this. And I'm going to try to fry this electrolytic capacitor and show you what happens when any electrolytic capacitor, whether it's a faulty one or a normal one, intact one, what happens when it's applied a reverse polarity. So remember, this is a 50 volt capacitor. Has some 14.3, 2 wires going over to a battery bank. Has 40.5 volts. I'm checking its voltage so that I can tell if there's current flowing. If this is discharging a large current, we're going to see that voltage go down. Again, this capacitor, as you can see, I had it connected correctly over there. I have the terminals reversed over here. The negative wire, this one's connected to the negative lead of the capacitor, and it's fed into the positive terminal. It's connected to the positive lead, fed into the negative terminal, goes to the switch. Let's turn it on and see what happens. I'll light it down to 37, 33 volts, 34.5. So keep in mind, this was a capacitor that was not holding a charge. It had a resistance in parallel with it, but it also had a considerable, it was designed to withstand this voltage. But this is what happens when it's connected in reverse. I'm watching the meter so I know if this thing goes short circuit because I don't want to burn up my battery. Wire isn't even warm. .4 volts. It just keeps baking. Back to 39.5. I don't have an accurate measurement of the current because I don't have a meter that will pass that current in series without, mine only has an AC clamp. So I can only tell if the current's higher or lower. I can't tell if it's actually, what the actual amp rating was. I do know this wire didn't even get warm. Right, the battery bank still says 39.7. I'm gonna shut this off. No change in voltage, so it didn't have any current. Oh, 39.8. I'm gonna shut this thing off, disconnect this, and that's it.